How to trade bearish engulfing below the resistance level. The price open right here with this solid red candle. From here the price goes up. This big green candle above the support level. It is manipulation. Watch out, because when you see a big green candle above the support, most often it is manipulation, and from here the price failed, go down, tested the support. This is the first bearish engulfing, but wait, and when the price it is below the, remember, before was support, now it is resistance level. The price continue going down. This is the second bearish engulfing. It is entering in, put stop loss above the same candle. Remember, above the same candle, if the price doesn't work, the price goes up. It's okay, lose a little bit money. And from here, the price made a rebound, goes up. This is the third bearish engulfing. It is enter input stop loss above, and this is very important, between 4 or 6 red candle in row. It is my exit. The price continue going down. From here, another bearish engulfing, 1, 2, 3, 4 red candle in row. I'm done. I must take profit, because from here the price can go down or can go up or can stay sideways. For me, it is important to take profit. This way, I'm accumulating my account between 4 or 6 red candle in row. Always take profit. And this is the way how I trade. This is the way how I explain how I trade. I hope you learned something in this trade.